Hi Leo, my name's Simon from Little Big Marketing. I spoke to Annabelle this morning about shooting you this really quick video. It's just going to show you a way that you could basically rank your page on Google page one, your website, and what you could expect in terms of expected traffic to your website and potential revenue, I guess, increase with those extra clients. So there's three main things I want to point out, and they are number one, content on your website. Number two is backlinks and citations. And number three is keywords. I'll explain each as I go, but number one being content on your website. Basically what I'm referring to there is wording and images. I love some of these images you've got here. That's beautiful. Wish I had a kitchen like that. Um, but also wording. Google likes to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page, and Google actually reads every single word. It stores that information so it knows what your website is, what you're offering, and where you're offering it. And it also allows Google to know that there's enough relevant information there for anyone who comes across it to read and make an educated decision. The last thing that's super important is that extra content allows you to get in more buyer intent keywords, and keywords are just any phrase that someone would type into Google looking for your particular service. So kitchen remodeling San Diego is an absolutely perfect one. I'm not sure if that's deliberate, but anything with the service and the San Diego in there as well, that location specific keyword is perfect. So that's a good one there. Now what I've done is put your website into a tool called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs buys statistics from Google and shows us exactly what's ranking on your site and why it's ranking. And I can see here that you've got 152 organic keywords at the moment, and that's reflected in the fact that you're getting 4 clicks per month, which isn't many. So the idea with this is that Google registers those keywords from the moment you're in the top 100. So you've got a lot in the top 100, but as you can see here, I'm just filtering on position for all the keywords that you've got, which there's quite a list, and you're not on page one for any of those. So that's where you need to get. And then you'll see here this traffic is per month and volume is searches per month, and that's clicks per month. So you can see all these are searched for quite a few times per month. Kitchen remodeling San Diego, which is that same keyword you had on there. If you were on page one from that, from 150 searches per month, you'd be looking for, 10 to 15 clicks, depending on which exact position on page one you were. But it adds up when you start ranking for all these keywords. Bathroom remodel near me, 4,500. Super important. So what I did was just put in remodeling contractor San Diego. Pretty vague, but still somewhat buyer intent. I'm specifically looking for that contractor in this specific area. Number one I wanted to point out was the map pack here, and what the map pack's becoming increasingly important as more and more people are choosing to use it for localized services, and also on mobile phones. It's actually taken over mobile phone. Google searches has taken over desktop nowadays, so it's quite important. And from there, I chose 2 top competitors, being Murray Lampert and Rencon Design Build. One thing I didn't mention too was number 2, the second thing that I wanted to talk about, being backlinks and citations. Backlinks are anywhere where one website refers to another site with a link. And when someone clicks on that link, it takes them to that second website. You got 180 of those, and they're coming from 54 referring domains or referring websites. So it's not necessarily the more the better, as some links are definitely created better than others. They're not all created equal. If it's coming from a highly rated referring domain or something that's relevant to your industry, it gives you more of that. It helps you rank faster. Google determines those to be better quality, and then you get more of these keywords onto page one, and then obviously your traffic starts to increase quite significantly. And then along with backlinks, I mentioned citations. So this map pack here, to get into there, you just need to have more what's called citations than the next guy, and they're just any directory like Yellow Pages or Yelp, where your business name, number, and address is located as it's seen on your Google My Business. And then you just need to have a competing amount of reviews, and along with your Google My Business needs to be optimized with images, locations, and services, etc. So onto the 2 competitors. These guys here, Murray Lampert, got a nice looking website, but not a lot of content. Quite a few more images though. but otherwise not going to be hard to sort of beat these guys out with in terms of wording there and keywording. So if I put them into this Ahrefs as well, and you can see here they've got a ton of backlinks and a ton of referring domains, which is helping them rank for a lot of keywords, and they're pulling in 1,200 clicks per month. So it's quite a significant jump there to getting on that page one. These URs and DR, that's URL rating and domain rating, that's quite high. These are the numbers where I'd like to see your website and start picking up, equal or more than this sort of traffic, depending on how big you want it to get, or how much work you want it to generate and grow. And then Remcon here, another nice looking site, little bit more content, but still it's just lacking. People think that having a beautiful website is the be all and end all, but really people come to a website to read information and make a decision. So pictures are great if they're looking for a product or a service that you can see that, but it doesn't help Google bring them there. And so through here you can see they've got quite a few backlinks, not too many more referring domains, so that'll be quite easy to catch. And already they're bringing in an extra 341 clicks to you per month. So you can just see how easily this can turn into a lot more work, and it's made super easy for you because all you got to do is answer the phone and make the sale. So look, if this is something that you wanted to jump into and start really bringing in some of these big numbers here, feel free to give me a call. Once again, my name is Simon from Little Big Marketing. My number is 760-688-2297. Otherwise, just reach out in the email and I'll get a hold of you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.